Good Wednesday morning, everybody. Back in Bond's kitchen. What's on the menu today? These are Pineapple Upside-Down Oatmeal Singles. Okay, I've got this all written down over here. This can be either a breakfast. If you have it for breakfast, you want to definitely add some added protein to it because these aren't super high in protein, but these are great for a snack. So when you're trying to stay lean and you're craving just a nice little sweet snack, these are the perfect thing for it. Here's what we're gonna be using. Let me show you my ingredients. Fresh pineapple, which I'm gonna cut. Unsweetened applesauce. Some maraschino cherries. Quick oats. We're gonna have 2 eggs, an egg and an egg white in that. Unsweetened vanilla almond milk. You're gonna need some baking powder, some Splenda, vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract, and some sea salt. I've got my pineapple cutter. I'm gonna do that first. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I'll be using these little muffin pans here, which you will spray with Pam. Spray with Pam. I've already used this for 1 batch already. This is my 2nd batch. I'm gonna show you how to do a quick pineapple cut real quick. Cut the top off, insert this into the top, and twist. Twist till you hit the very bottom, and pull it out. Perfect little rings. Now we're gonna dice these up. 1 cherry at the bottom of each tin. Coat 1 cup pineapple with 1 tablespoon Splenda. Stir it up. 2 cups oats in a bowl. 1/4 cup Splenda in bowl. 1½ teaspoons baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Combine ingredients. Separate bowl, 1 egg, 1 egg white. 2/3 cup almond milk. 2/3 cup unsweetened applesauce. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Whisk the ingredients together. Add wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and combine well. Should look like this. Spoon ingredients evenly into each cup over top of cherries. Place the pineapple on top, or you can even put it on the bottom with the cherries. Depends on which one you want to do it. Makes 12 muffins, looks like this. Put in the oven for 20 minutes, 350. Each muffin gives you 97 calories, 19 grams of carbohydrates, only 9 grams of sugar, and 3 grams of protein. Perfect little healthy snack. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
20-minute timer started.
20 minutes later. These are done. Check with a toothpick. Yep, done. Let cool for 10 minutes, then serve. Look at those little guys. But how does it taste? Oh my God. Wow. Till next time, stay happy, stay healthy, keep grinding out, and I'll see you guys in our next episode. Guys, have a great day.